Rolling. Kita mo dito eh. Dito yun, ya. Imagine mga dati. Dito, kita. So, can you state your name and age?
Pwede mag-Tagalog din? Tagalog po.
Sige.
Ako
Sabihin
pala,
mo na lang yung pangalan mo at ang edad.
ako pala si Kurt Limang. 15 years old from Ifugao, Kiangan, Hapao po, Banawi.
High school.
Ako po. High school grade 9 pa lang.
Grade 9. Enrolled.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sige. Proceed pa rin natin. So, go. So, what do you do in school?
Kwan po. Nag-aaral lang po ng mabuti tsaka yung kwan. Mga ginagawa ng mga kailangan na project, parang ganun. Assignment,
Grade 9. Ay, inyang school.
Irisan.
Irisan National High School.
Yes, sir.
Irisan National High School. Ada ba ba yung ka? Irisan?
J, baba lang.
Di ba ba?
Yes, sir.
Inyati ada irisan nga awan ijay sa bali nga party ti Baguio.
Matahimik lang naman. Tahimik lang.
Tahimik lang ang irisan.
Walang gulo. Medyo may gulo naman unti.
Medyo may gulo.
Hindi lang.
Ito dito eh. Yeah. So, inyagin ko lang, ayun na, taga-kyan. EJ Babanti Irisan is asin.
Ay, kwan.
Yeah.
Papanti sablan mo lang.
EJ Babanti, Papa. So Irisan, there's a way going to Asin, no? Asin Road, no? Since you're from Kiangan, so popular ang Kiangan for wood carving. Tama?
Yes, sir.
So, do you have an idea about the bulol?
Nothing, sir.
What?
Okay.
Okay. You have an idea about carving?
Wala pa eh.
Awan.
Okay.
You're wearing a necklace that has a gum.
Yes, sir.
So,
From,
what's the essence of the gun for you?
kwan lang. Parang pang-forma lang ang kwan. Gamit lang. Ginagamit din lang sa performing from culture, ganun lang. Yun lang po yung alam ko eh.
Anyway, I'm just asking random questions. Yeah, it doesn't mean I'll correct or whatever. Yeah, yeah. So just so mayat nga we get more attached to our culture. Okay. Thank you.